You know, some of the most common words we use every single day are hiding some pretty incredible secrets. Today, we're going to crack one of them wide open and see what's inside. You ready? Let's dive in. All right, we're starting with a word you've known practically your whole life. Egg. So simple, right? But what if I told you this little word is actually a key? A key that unlocks an incredibly powerful tool for communicating with people all over the world. So just how universal are we talking? Well, get this. The Simple English Wiktionary page for egg has entries in a staggering 99 different languages. Yeah, 99. From Afrikaans all the way to isiZulu, it seems like pretty much everyone has a word for it. This little word is a true world traveler.
But its importance goes way beyond what's on your breakfast plate. So, what is it? What exactly makes this simple word so special? Let's take a closer look.
Okay, first up, egg is one of those words that everybody knows. It's a part of our shared global vocabulary. But to really uncover its secret, we've got to go back to basics. We have to look at what the official definition of an egg actually is.
All right, so now let's look at the word's blueprint. Its official schematic.
As a noun, egg has two main jobs. The first one is the one we're all familiar with, the food. The second is a bit more scientific, the female reproductive cell. It's kind of interesting that both are all about the potential for new life, right?
But wait, did you know egg is also a verb? Yep, and this is where it gets a little mischievous. To egg something or someone means to literally throw eggs at them. The dictionary even gives this cheeky little example on Halloween, naughty children egg houses. And just like any proper verb, it's got all the different forms. Egg, eggs, egged, egging. It follows all the standard English grammar rules. So far, everything seems pretty normal, doesn't it? But if you look really, really closely at that dictionary page, there's something else. Buried away in the notes is just one single line of text that changes everything. This is where we find the real secret.
It turns out our little word egg is on a kind of secret VIP list, a list that was designed for a very powerful purpose. And here it is. The key is this one sentence. Egg is on the Basic English 850 list. How about that? Not apple, not banana, but egg made the cut. Which, of course, leads us to the big question. What on earth is Basic English? Let's break it down. The key is right there in the number. 850. See, Basic English isn't just a simpler version of the language, it's a very carefully selected toolkit made up of just 850 words.
The philosophy behind Basic English is really fascinating. It was created to be a core vocabulary for clear and simple communication, especially for international speakers. The idea is that with these 850 foundational words just like our friend egg, you can express almost any complex idea. It's like English stripped down to its most powerful and essential parts.
And this brings us right to the big takeaway here, the incredible power of simple.
It just goes to show, you don't always need a massive vocabulary. Sometimes, a small, well-chosen set of powerful words is everything you need to communicate clearly and effectively. Our humble egg isn't just food. It's proof that the simplest words are often the most important ones we have. So that leaves us with a final question to chew on. If a word as basic as egg is part of this amazing system for global communication, what other simple words that you use every day are hiding their own complex secrets? Makes you think, doesn't it?